Do you think life is better outside of the Philippines?
Hindi ko pa totally masabi na yes. Parang nakakulong pa ako dito sa Philippines. Pero if I would try, maybe, para ma-experience ko kung ano nga ba yung buhay sa labas ng Pilipinas. Kahit makalabas man ako sa country, masasabi ko pa rin mas better sa Philippines.
Ooh, yes, the Philippines has so much potential, but because of our government and the other issues,
This might sound a bit political. Meron tayong corruption. If wala lang yung one problem na yun, I believe this country could do so many great things.
Can I say maybe? I've lived abroad before, so I know what it's like. Like, I would say transportation is better abroad.
Possibly because of healthcare. Yun talaga yung napapansin ko na feeling ko kulang dito sa Philippines.
Yeah, I do. Actually lived outside the Philippines for a couple of years, and there are a lot of third spaces like parks and beaches, libraries, so you can hang out with your friends for free, right?
关注飞龙网，更了解菲律宾。